The AdvancedBOM tool from myPDMtools suite allows for a more functional and efficient operation when working with BOMs. From within myPDMtools options, it is necessary to activate the tool within the PDM context menu. We will now define the locations of the PDF documents to be searched as well as their names. In our example, we use variables to search for files in subfolders named PDF. For a name, we're looking for a PDF file that has the same name as a source file, and validate the PDMtools options. Using a PDM browser, browse to the file you want to analyze, and then launch AdvancedBOM. This way you can view the details of the specified file. The search tool will make it easy to find the components in the BOM. With a right click, it's possible to browse to the document. It is possible to export PDFs for all of the documents in the BOM, or generate a CSV export.